How to choose the right AI chatbot, a technical guide. In the last 2 years, we have gone from one dominant AI chatbot to a dozen powerful contenders. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Copilot, DeepSeek, the list goes on. But with every company claiming to have the smartest model, how do you, as a user, actually make an informed choice? It is not about finding the best AI, but it is about finding the right AI for you. So today, we are moving beyond the marketing and building a technical framework to help you choose your ideal AI companion. I will break this down into 5 key architectural pillars. First, let us talk about raw brainpower. This is not just about knowledge, but it is about how an AI thinks. For complex reasoning, coding, and sophisticated problem solving, you need to look at models like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, DeepSeek, and Copilot. For specific tasks, open-source powerhouses like Llama. These are the heavy lifters, but smart can be subjective. For coding and technical tasks, ChatGPT and models fine-tuned on code, like Claude, are often top tier. For nuanced writing and analysis, Claude 3 frequently excels at understanding context and producing high-quality, structured prose. For creative ideation, many users find Gemini and ChatGPT to be excellent brainstorming partners. Here's a practical tip. Do not rely on one benchmark. Test the AIs on a task you care about. Give all of them the same complex prompt and compare the depth and accuracy of the responses. Let me talk now about memory and the context window, which are among the most crucial yet overlooked specifications. The context window is the AI's working memory, the total number of tokens, words and parts of words it can consider at once. Standard 4K to 8K is good for short conversations and single tasks. Think of early ChatGPT. Large 32K to 128K can handle long articles, complex documents, and extended conversations. Massive 200K plus is Claude's territory. You can upload an entire book or a massive codebase and ask questions about it. Why does this matter? If you are a researcher analyzing a 100-page PDF, a developer working with a large codebase, or a writer crafting a long-form piece, a large context window is non-negotiable. It prevents the AI from forgetting the beginning of your conversation. Let me now talk about access and costs. The best AI is useless if you cannot access or afford it. This breaks down into 2 parts, the price tag and the platform. Freemium models. Most services offer a powerful free tier like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. This is your perfect starting point for experimentation. Pro tiers cost $10 to $20 a month. For heavy users, a Pro subscription is often worth it for priority access, usage of the top-tier models like GPT-5, Claude 3 Opus, and increased usage limits. Pay-per-use API. For developers and businesses, the cost is often based on tokens used. GPT-5 is expensive for high volume, while models like Claude 3 Sonnet or GPT-4 offer a great balance of cost and performance. Here's a practical tip. Start free. If you hit a limit or need more power, then consider a subscription. Always check whether the AI is available in your country. What about the senses or multimodality? The next frontier is multimodality, the ability to understand and generate more than just text. Vision and image input. Can the AI see? GPT, Claude, and Gemini can analyze images, screenshots, and diagrams. This is a game changer for data extraction, design feedback, and visual troubleshooting. Voice. Native voice conversation capabilities, like those in the ChatGPT mobile app, offer a more natural and hands-free interaction. Image generation. Some platforms, like ChatGPT with DALL-E or Copilot with Image Creator, have integrated text-to-image generation, creating a seamless workflow. Ask yourself, do I need to analyze visual data? If you are a content creator, engineer, or marketer, strong vision capabilities might be a top priority. I will talk now about the rulebook, privacy, customization, and constraints. Finally, we have the fine print. This is about control and safety. Data privacy. How is your data used? For sensitive or proprietary information, this is critical. Check the company's privacy policy. Some enterprise versions promise not to use your data for training. Open versus closed source. Open source models like Llama and Mistral offer transparency and the ability to run on your own hardware. Closed source models like ChatGPT and Claude are managed by the company, but are often more powerful and easier to access. Personality and guardrails. AIs have different built-in biases and safety filters. Some are more cautious, while others are more creative and willing to engage with edgy topics. Notice which one aligns with your communication style. So, how do you bring this all together? You build a personal scorecard. Create a simple grid. List your top use cases down the side: creative writing, code debugging, academic research, business analysis. Then, rate each AI chatbot from 1 to 5 on each of the 5 pillars I mentioned. The chatbot with the highest score for your specific use case is your winner. Remember, the AI landscape changes monthly. The model that is best today might be surpassed next month. The key is not to find a permanent solution, but to understand the framework for evaluation. The perfect AI chatbot is the one that feels like a natural extension of your own mind and workflow. Now I want to hear from you. What is your primary use of an AI chatbot? And which model has impressed you the most lately? Let us crowdsource some data in the comments below. If this framework helped you, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more tech guides. Hit the bell icon so you do not miss my next one, where I will be testing these AIs head-to-head on real-world tasks. Thanks for watching. Now go and choose your AI wisely.